Here is how to build your own AI spam filter that blocks junk emails in Python using a logistic regression model. So, we start by importing pandas and scikit-learn and install them using, for example, uv-add pandas scikit-learn. Next, we load our training data CSV file. This is a dataset of prepared text messages to teach our computer the difference between a real conversation and a scam. I labeled them with 1 if they are spam and 0 if they are not. That's how our model can learn from. Then we use the pandas read CSV function to load the data into the script. Next, we separate the data into two parts. X is the actual text message, and Y is the label that tells us if it's spam or not. Okay, here's the thing. Computers are dumb. They can't read English, they only understand math. So we gotta run our text through a count vectorizer. This basically turns words into a matrix of numbers based on frequency. It translates human language into a format the machine can understand. Now, let's split our data into training and test data using the train_test_split. We're keeping 20% of the data for testing to see how well the model works on new messages it hasn't seen before, and the other 80% for training. The random_state42 sets a fixed starting point so you get the same result every time. Next, we load our model using the logistic regression class. So the model simplified looks at the count of words, like free or winner, and learns to calculate the probability of a message being spam. We train the model by passing our training data to the model fit function. Then, we check how smart our model is. We print the model score, which compares the model's guesses on that test data against the real answers to give us an accuracy percentage. Finally, we create a function to run the check on the message we can input. In here, we first transform the message with a vectorizer. Again, use the model to predict the message and grab the first output. If the model predicts 1, we print the status spam, else we go and positive check. Let's see it on these two messages. Like, are we still on for meeting, and click here to win free money. As you see for these two examples, it worked nice. If you watched until here, and you learned something new, be sure to follow me